to the channel, man, not Central Towing. This video here is about the more dangerous areas we tow from. Anyway, I just talked to the guy in charge over here. He's gonna let me in the gate, and he's already told me there's a van over here. He told me just to wait. I think he's gonna ride out with me. I doubt he'll hang around. He's probably gonna point the cars out and expect me to bring them to the office, which is kind of what they do. Well, I can't put him on the video. I don't put these people on the video. You can't put them in harm's way. Takes a kid. Man, grab it. Get it loaded. I'll go ahead and go straight back first, and hey, I already see one over here. I see a Honda over here, wheel lifter. This is tagged. Yeah, you got it. Thanks. There's one right there. Brakes off on it, brakes down. Here, got somebody stopping me right here. What's going on, man?
Yeah, I got my people coming to get it. They don't charge. They just be on their way.
Yeah. It's too late.
I went to the office and said,
yeah.
They come in, they're on their way. That's why I came here opening. I take some stuff out. I was there.
I just loaded these cars for the manager. He just left out of here. I can't lie.
Yeah, I just talked to you right now.
Yeah.
And he told me to come and see you.
Yeah. That's the thing. It's hooked. It's $100 drop fee if you want to get it off the truck once he tells me to load it. That way you can hear. Listen, once he tells me to load it, it's $100 drop fee once it's loaded.
So I have to pay the $100
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which one is it? Which one? The white one? Okay. Hey, I'll tell you what. We can back it up. Hey, let that car come through, and we'll back it up over here. We'll see if we can put it back over there.
All right. You don't mind. You can even put it here. So
okay. Okay. Yeah, he said he'd pay the 100, man. He's fine with that. Yeah. Yeah, he's gonna pay me, and I'll drop it. And there's a Honda. You said there's a Honda too. All right, in front of the 11. Okay, I'll get it. You got it. Yep. Bye. Hey, you just sign here, and I'm gonna give you a copy, and I'll tell you how to pay it. Just sign right there, and I'll give you a copy of that. Hey, that manager's pretty nice to let you keep it here. He's pretty nice. He didn't have to let you keep it here. He said if he wants to pay it, let him pay it. So he told me to let you pay. He's pretty cool, man. He is. Hey, 5 minutes, man. Earlier you wouldn't have got towed, man, if you'd have been here 5 minutes earlier.
He said, it's yours. Why you didn't tell me?
Yeah, he didn't know whose it was. Yeah, he didn't know whose it was. Hey, call this number. She's going to ask for ticket number, and I'm going to let her know you're calling to pay it. Now, as soon as you pay it, I'll drop it.
Okay. Hold on. Let me call her right now.
Okay, awesome. And the manager said let him pay it out. He didn't know it was his, and either way, he said let him pay it. He's fixing it. He's ringing right now. Bye. Cool. No, I just send it to me if you want to send it.
It may be up to tomorrow morning.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'll tell him. He's good. Thanks.
Yeah,
take care, man. I'll order it online. Hey, it's dangerous down here. I know it's dangerous down here. They're shooting down here, man.
That's like
Hey, it's soft. It's not metal.
If I didn't see like the company.
Well, hey, there's a lot of theft down here, man. They'll cut the cats and everything.
Like
I know.
15, they was the one doing that.
Yeah.
So I'm feeling like, if you're a parent, so you can't keep your kid in the house.
But he told me if he didn't see a company name on the side of my truck and he didn't know who it was, he said he would have pulled his gun on me. That's what he was telling me. He said, because this area, there's a lot of theft going on. A lot of people pulling guns. It's just a lot of crap going on down here. And he said he would have pulled his gun on me if he didn't see the company name on it. And that's how people are, man. You get these kind of areas, man. He's selling that car. He told me he's getting $700 for the car. So he was happy to pay it out. He's still $600 up. And they're coming to get that car tomorrow. So he was cool with it. He wasn't happy he got towed, man, but he was he kept it real cool. People they come on my comments to talk about respect. How can I respect these people, man? One of those things, man. If you don't respect the streets, you will die out here, and that's a fact, man. I'll tell you the best way to do this job right here is to be respectful to people on the street, because if you don't, you're guaranteed you're going to have problems. You're going to have problems anyway. This is dangerous type work. It's rough work. I got somebody telling me right now, you don't know what these people are going to do. You don't have no idea what they're going to do. I got 2 cars. People get mad and they react. Do this kind of work right here, and you come out here acting like you're hard, somebody will try you. That's the last thing you want to do. You want to get cars towed. My job is to get the cars off the property and not have any problems. Least amount of conflict, least amount of problems, get the money, roll out. And that's what I do. I specifically, I'm here to get money, and I get it, man. I can tell you that right now. I've yanked thousands of these damn cars from all over the place. What's up, Mr. Ruby?
What's up? What's up?
Hey, one of my subscribers was asking about this MG right here. It's going to auction?
Yeah. Good care.
Yeah. Wonder what year it is. Somebody painted over the year. Hey, here's a plate right here. 1970. Anyway, I want to show everybody that MG. It's old school. It's going to auction. They're cleaning it up right now. It's a 1970. It's definitely a restoration project, but the body itself didn't seem to have that much rust. It's got some rust, but it's a fixer-upper. They're hard to find them old ones like that that hadn't been messed with already. Anyway, stay tuned.